Guys, I have here a 2021 Trail Blazer. It's a rear bumper replacement. I'll show you how to remove the rear bumper. Here, the tools that we need is a plastic pry tool and a Torx 15, T15. I call it T15, it's Torx 15. Okay guys, so there's a Torx 15 right here. There's one here too. See that? There. Okay. And on this side, there's one Torx 15 there. You guys see it? Right there. One and two. One in the bottom, one on the top. Right there. This is just a quick removal on the bumper. It's gonna be a quick one, guys. And the bottom of the bumper, there is one in here and one on the other side, and then one in here and one in here. So there's total of 4 Torx 15 in the bottom. Okay, I already removed the other side, so I'm just showing you this side. So whatever I did on this side, I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, now it's kind of loose. And my phone is loose too. There you go. Now everything is loose. You're gonna use your plastic pry tool. Camera right there. So using the plastic pry tool to remove the fender flare. I'm doing this because my boss is not around. Snap. And use this. A sponsor from Princess Auto.
I don't even know what I'm pointing at.
There you go. Here to go. And then there's a 15 Torx 15 on this side. I already removed the 2 screws, and then 2 screws in the bottom, the side, and the one inside right here. Then we can finally remove the bumper. Check your bumper if it's has a rear bumper sensor or a tail light connectors. That's the time you have to remove or unplug all the wirings. Okay guys? What? What's that? What? Jesse, hold this shit. Why are you fucking gone? Oh, there's one more. Whoa, hold it here, Jesse. Not my fault. He's now. Oh, there's a wire. Rip it. So, we got a wire harness here for your rear bumper sensor or your tail light. Fuck me. Hey Jesse, hold it. There you go. Got it. Here you go, guys. So in here it's kind of tight, so you have to just pry it and it's gonna good to go. So better you have an assistant to help you to remove the bumper. See this again? There's a clips that's holding your fender flare quarter player. This is quarter panel player clips. There you go, guys. That's how you remove your 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. Chevy Blazer. Okay, guys. Guys, this is Bart Lucky channel or Barako ng Canada. Keep watching on my channel. And cars, all the how to remove bumper removals and repairs on your vehicle. It's all coming back. It's all coming back. It's all coming back to me now.